Hello and welcome to Season 2 of Minecraft with FPS A Baronov. So now I have another little redstone contraption for you guys, and this is the self-rebuilding house or wall, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, I'm taking out all these blocks right here, and they get rebuilt, and that is because of the lava and the water working to make cobblestone. So I don't know if I can make this smaller, but this is the smallest design that I could come up with. So first of all, we need a clock. And a clock that I like to use is basically 4 repeaters connected by redstone on the sides. And then start it up. That's first thing of business. So then we want to do that. And I'm using stone over here because I don't want the wool over here to burn, or else all my redstone and stuff will be doomed. So then I would want that, with that. Okay, I'll just put that all over the place. There, like that. And so you guys can modify this to different purposes. Let's say a self-rebuilding house. I'm just showing you how to make the wall of that house, and for that house you just basically need one clock, a lot of pistons, and they're not sticky pistons at all. They cannot be in any way sticky pistons. Then let's see, like that. There. I think that's how I made it. Oh, whoops. There. Now, putting the water in here. Attach the wiring over this to one piston. If you guys request it, I could make a small little self-rebuilding house. And as you can see, they're traveling at different intervals, just because the redstone is, the clock is working like different intervals. Just put that in, that, Oh yes, I remember how now. Just take out that. There we go. Oh, fudge. Well, let's quickly rebuild this. I don't know what happened there. There, like that. There. So this is easy to rebuild. I'm just trying to do this pretty quickly because of time concerns. Okay. How did I make it over here? That, and that, okay. Now, not again, come on. What the heck? Yeah, this is the fail episode. Call it that. Hopefully hopefully I'm not running out of time because my YouTube doesn't allow me to make anything greater than 10 minutes. Now let's hopefully get this going. There we go. Now just gotta place some. Okay. Five more minutes. Come on. Wow, you guys probably gonna hate me. God damn it. Okay, I'm not following the design, or I'm not doing something. Is this right? There we go. I hate rebuilding this clock over here. There. Now let's test this. 1, 2. There we go. And there you have it. Hopefully, you won't hate me for all the fails that I had. But, yeah. It's good against creepers. Let's say if one blows up your house and it's all like, gone practically. Yeah, it just rebuilt itself. And I don't know to what number of blocks it goes up to, but maybe you could make this like underground.